Dear Diary, today is my 100th day in Amsterdam. What am I still doing here? Not sure. Anyways, I have a bike now. I feel very Dutch, skirting down the canals. Man, I know the canals here like the back of my...
Turn left onto Tuberstraat, then turn right onto Sheepsbow Way.
Yeah, I know the canals here like the back of my...
200 meters, turn left onto work.
Hands. Back of my hands. Like, this is it. This is living. This is everything. This is... Sometimes I feel a bit lonely. I wish I had my college friends here with me. I miss them throughout most of my days. And I still don't really know what I'm doing with my life, but at least I adore the place I'm figuring it out in. It'll be okay. I always end up okay. Of course, until my visa ends, but that's for future me to figure out. I'm okay right now. I'm okay today. And I'm enjoying living today. And nothing else matters. Ja, lekker man. Doei.